This is a wireless air pump, ATJ 8266. We have it all set up. It's on a bicycle. It shows you the battery indicator and the PSI. There is a plastic film you could peel off. These are the controls, a joystick mouse. On top, if you press the button, you have two LED lights. On the top of the unit, you got 4 white LED lights. Again, you have in the center red, a flashing. SOS and off. We get a small hose, a valve adapter. That's for the bicycle as well as your car stem. You simply screw on. It's ready to go. You get the attachments for a raft, a basketball pump, a different type of stem, a fuse, and a different type of raft with an O-ring. You get the USB A to C cable, and you get a 12-volt adapter for the car. This is where the fuse goes into. You have to get a tool to take this off. It's very tight at the start. As you unscrew, do not lose the spring and the nipple. That is where the fuse is located at. Replace the fuse if this ever goes out. Demonstrating with the charging cable to the USB-C area. You're charging the unit. When it's fully charged, you just have the light completed. If you need a power bank, you have a power bank, and for the 12-volt adapter. Please forgive the camera if it shows any flickering. The bottom button for the car, bicycle. Please forgive any flashing. We are flashing on and off for the car, 2 types of bicycles, and a basketball. One is a motorcycle and the other is a bicycle. To increase and decrease, you hit the side buttons. The center button runs the pump. It automatically shut off when it reaches the PSI. My bike tire is flat. I am going to add some air to it by removing the valve cover, screwing on the stem, and pressing the pump. 45 pounds, we unscrew. And there you go. This pump comes very handy, so if you need to have something portable to pump up your tires, take it with you. You can put it on the back of your bicycle. It's not heavy, it don't weigh a lot, and will do a nice job. And at nighttime, you need a light, or on the side of the road, you want to say, hey, I'm over here, as a brake light, or to warn an SOS, this could be seen. So the bike pump, it's awesome, does a good job indeed. Is there an on and off button that this will shut off after a certain amount of time? It should fade off. You can change the PSI by pressing this button, long press, and so forth. I hope this pump will be right for you. A gift for somebody who has a bicycle, a car that needs portable air. Very compact indeed. I hope the product will be right for you.